How to sum columns in Google Sheets. So in this video today we're going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheets. Okay, so let me type some numbers. Like this is a title and this is number. Let me show. Okay, so just select the cell where you want reset. So if you want reset here, then just select there. Just start with the that sign, equal sign, and type sum. Okay, we need to sum formula. Hit the tab. Okay, then select the cell. Okay, so we have select the range from A2 to A9. Okay, and just close the bracket. Now this is a sum. Okay, so we have select the range like this. Okay, if you make any changes here, then automatically that update will be automatically done here. Okay, but when you type any numbers or value beyond the range, okay, so it will be not added here. So what we need to do, we need to increase the that range. Okay, so we have now A9, so we need range, okay, till A12. Okay, so we need to change here A12. Enter the button. Okay, now you can see the changes will be automatically update on this area. Okay, same as you need to just select this cell where you want result and type this sum. Okay, so now okay, so now Google Sheet has updated automatically when you select the result cell at bottom. Okay, you can see they select automatically, but they select the A1 also, so we need to change it, A2 to A12. Okay, that is how we can sum the count the columns. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.